Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the Mac and connecting the external backup or installer drive. This prevents interruptions. Once done, reboot and hold Command-R to enter Mac OS recovery. That's where Disk Utility lives. Make sure you select View Show All Devices, then choose the physical disk or volume you intend to restore. You unmount the target volume next. This frees the device for restoration. These first actions keep your data path clear and set the stage for the restore operation. You now perform the restore. With Disk Utility open, select the destination volume and click Restore. In the dialog, pick your source, a disk image, backup volume, or another disk, and confirm. Make sure the destination's format and partition scheme match the intended Mac OS type. Apps for modern systems, Mac OS Extended for older ones. Once you start, monitor the progress bar and system messages. If the transfer looks stalled, wait. Large restores can take significant time, and interruptions can corrupt targets. You finish by running first aid on the restored volume to fix any minor metadata issues. This helps ensure a clean boot. Once first aid completes, restart and choose the restored volume from Startup Manager to boot the system. Verify apps, preferences, and user files. Make sure critical services start. If the Mac fails to boot, try Safe Mode or Command-R to reinstall Mac OS onto the restored volume. This preserves data. One key troubleshooting tip. If boot still fails, rebuild the recovery or restore from a known good backup image.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.